Dear parents and my dear students, my name is G. Ramesh, the director of this institute, Delhi Institute of Computations, which was started by my father in 1978 in Visakhapatnam, the city of destiny of the state of Andhra Pradesh. This was one of the oldest institutes in the country and perhaps the oldest one in the state. And his contribution was he spinned off thousands of students into coveted civil services, IAS, IPS, IRS, Group 1 and so on and so forth. And the students are spread across length and breadth of the country. And his mission or legacy, I am forwarding it. So myself appeared 2 times to civil services interview. Fortunately, unfortunately, I could not make it. So, but I am assisting to him for the last 20 years. And my contribution, I have created more than 100 officers in civil services. And one of my first students today is Mr. Dilli Rao, who is now Joint Collector of Anantapur. He was my student in 2001. And one of my best achievements was Mr. Uppu Krishna Mohan, who got All India 24th rank right in his first attempt from Geetam College. And now, never we come to, we maintain a low profile, our institute. Most of you doesn't know our institute, though it is 42 years old. The basic reason we believe in not much of hype. The best we get, we train the best and we get the best results. But now the situation is grim and we are having this COVID and lockdown for the last few days. And now it's the age of internet. Now we have to come out. To the basic reason why we are coming out is to grab the best students. So we are missing the best students and the best students are missing this service. So this exam actually is a psychological exam rather than anything else I can say. So if you are the best in your academics, that doesn't mean you will get the service, and if you are not good in academics, you may not get the service. This exam is more of psychological aspect, what I told you, the patience, the sustainability. So these are the things this exam requires. And today my basic reason to come in front of you is I am getting a lot of queries nowadays from parents. So what we should do after intermediate to my child, or a student is calling me, sir, what after intermediate? Now here I put you in 3 situations or 3 options. The first option, okay, after intermediate, okay, you are having the dream or desire to conquer these civil services. I mean the ingredients we can talk later. Now here, so 3 options left before the student and the parent. The first option is take a professional career and prepare civil services parallelly. Professional degree, I mean IITs or MBBS or engineering and so on and so forth. And I vote it. I say this, my preference is first preference this. Better go for a professional degree, that too in best colleges and best institutes or best universities, not like some remote engineering colleges like that. So whatever may be your core subject there, always I vote for a professional degree. The professional degree will give the student security and confidence. And many people think that to prepare civil services, they should have the knowledge of arts like history, geography, polity, economy and so on and so forth. Yes, I agree with you. And but what you have studied in your school days, the foundation, and what we are going to train in our institutes, that is sufficient. per day, 2 hour study or 2.5 hour study parallel with your academics is okay. So this is not compulsory that you should go for a degree with humanities to crack this exam. And the success story in the country shows that most of the selected candidates have engineering or medicine background or some professional background. Nowadays humanities are coming slowly. And I told you already, 24th rank Krishna Mohan, basically an engineer, and Dilli Rao, an agricultural student, and Mr. Kiran, who succeeded this exam and got All India 371 rank in his first attempt and All India 181 rank in his second attempt, very first attempt and very second attempt, now a customs officer. So got the service at the age of 22, basically was MBBS. So studied in Andhra University. Now there are students who cracked this exam from BA background, BSc background, but so my first preference is take a professional degree, and that too at best colleges. Suppose this is not possible, the next option for you is go for a degree college. Go for a degree college where you can find some quality education there, and parallelly you can prepare civil services by joining an institute, and choose that institute so which guides students on 3 F's. So I call it as a 3F formula or 3F formula. The first F is the foundation. Now you should get the good foundation there. The institute should good experience. 20 years or 40 years or 30 years, whatever it is. And they are committed for, of course, profit is there. But now, as my institute, I am saying I went to civils interview. Group 1, I did not attempt. I think I attempted only once, but I am never interested to go to Group 1 services, because I want to continue the legacy of my father. I am hungry of getting the best students. So one thing I can guarantee you, so give me the best students, I can give 100% of the result. Best student doesn't mean that they should have 90%, 95%, 98%. So the best student means who is committed to sacrifice 3 years or 2 years. So by giving his hard work, we expect hard work. So we give them the guidance. Everything we take care, material, whatnot, everything we take care. But only one thing what we expect from the candidate is the hard work and the sustainability. Parents also should give the candidate a certain time, maybe few years. Don't pressurize him. The foundation, you check it whether the institute is committed for this kind of, because my father turned thousands. My objective is to spin more than him. And my dream or my goal is to produce first rank from our institute. Of course, my father has produced All India second rank, women second ranker, and 9th ranker, Mr. Braun Prakash, who got Rajasthan cadre, is my father's student. And the first student he produced was Shambab, who retired, Mr. Shambab Garu, who retired as an IAS officer very recently. Now we have a great legacy. So now only one thing, why I am coming forward to you is that we are missing that link, and our institute students come mainly with mouth publicity. We never went for this digital marketing or other marketing techniques. But I am missing the best students. Recently so many students come, sir, we don't know about institute. Had we knew the institute, we would have got service. No, the basic object, of course, is to go to the right candidates and right parents and get the success. So these are the two options before the candidate or before the student, and it's not a big deal, and you can crack this exam. The one is a foundation, I told you. Second one is fundamentals. So foundation and fundamentals we provide, and the most important is focus. Especially the student should focus on the subject for 3 years, first year, second year, third year. Students first year they come, okay, sir, we want to become IAS, IPS, DSP, whatever not. But after 5 months or 4 months, that josh will come down, that zeal is coming down. And here you should have a mentor. Mentor is most important here. When the candidate is at low, we should counsel him. So we should interact, and every Saturday is an interaction session in our institute. And sometimes they will be above the world. Sometimes they get very high scores in the class exams, and they will be high and they don't look anyone. That's also dangerous. Two things dangerous. So when you are on the sky, it's very dangerous, and you are at the bottom also, it's very dangerous. And there the mentor role comes. And we here, myself, as a director, I teach as well as I act as a mentor. And thankfully, all my students are still in contact with me. And whenever they come to Vizag, we will just have an interaction so that they mentor them. And one more thing, our institute is good at it. What I can say that, so whatever scripts you write, I'll send through these students so that they will verify and give their feedback. And recently, last time 2018 civil group 1 exam, so we got all India, state 12th rank, Mr. Dr. Ravikiran, who secured state 12th rank. And of course, he is again a medico from Andhra Medical College. So, and recently he has taken few classes, and whenever these students come to our place, we conduct the classes. And this is my first expression before the video, or before camera, offline. I take only offline classes, never I took any online interaction or online classes. And because with changing the times and technology, we have to change. And finally, I want to tell to all the parents, so take a wise decision. So don't think that sending to Delhi or some other place, your student is going to secure IAS or some other exam. Sending to Hyderabad, you get group 1. The success ratio is less than 1%. Every year from Delhi, 1 lakh student writes the exam. Hardly 400 candidates get success. The success doesn't mean that you go to a place and parents are also crazy. Okay, I have sent to my student to the best institute. Okay, they will do their hands off. You have done the same thing. You send your candidate to, child to best IIT foundation, 5th to 10th, intermediate best IAS foundation, IIT foundation, intermediate second year. Now you think of civil services, whether joint degree or thing. They give him the best coaching, best teachers. But the missing factor is the counseling. So that you should be in contact with the child, or you should know what the child is doing. Continuous monitoring. So positive point of view. So they can have their own fun time. And now we are parents sometimes are to be blamed. They think that they have sent to the best and we get the best. Once they don't get the best, okay, I have done what I can do. Okay, your headache, now your fate. No, think wisely while sending your son to or daughter to further career. Anyway, I don't want to talk much right now. Okay, in my further videos, I'll be contacting you. And if you have any query or any doubt regarding this, please you can personally WhatsApp to this number or you can call me. So thank you all the best to all of you.